Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream at home with whipping cream using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Chilling your mixing bowl and whisk attachments beforehand is a simple trick that helps the cream whip up faster and achieve a perfect consistency. This no-churn recipe is surprisingly simple. Now let's get to whipping. Pour your 2 cups of very cold, heavy whipping cream into that chilled bowl. Using an electric mixer, beat the cream on high speed. You'll want to continue mixing until stiff peaks form, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Stiff peaks are crucial. They mean the cream holds its shape firmly when you lift the whisk, creating a light and airy base. Once your cream is perfectly whipped, it's time to add the flavor. Gently fold in the entire 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Be careful not to deflate the whipped cream. A light touch is key. Pour this delightful mixture into a freezer-safe container, like a loaf pan. Freeze for at least 6 hours, or ideally overnight, for a firm, scoopable treat. And there you have it, your very own homemade ice cream, ready to be enjoyed. This easy method yields about 1 quart of incredibly creamy, rich ice cream that tastes far better than store-bought. Feel free to add your favorite toppings like chocolate syrup, sprinkles, or fresh fruit. It's perfect for any occasion. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the link in the description for Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.